For every course you want to create, there is always a bestseller for that course title. Your job is to find that course and look for the flaws in the course and see how you can do the opposite. That is how you stand out with your course and create an irresistible bestseller course on Udemy. Now, for example, you want to create a course on Microsoft Excel. So you can just go there and type the title, Microsoft Excel for beginners, like what I did here. And you can see the results here. We have 10,000 results for this topic, Microsoft Excel for beginners. And like I told you before, we have bestsellers for every course title. You can see this one here. This one is Microsoft Excel from beginner to advanced. What you will do is to open it in another new tab. So let's open this one in a new tab. Then we can go down. This one is Microsoft Excel from beginner to advanced. You can open this one again in a new tab. All we need to do is to open course related to the course we want to create. As you can see, these two courses are related, beginner to advanced. This one also says beginner to advanced 2024. So let's open it in a new tab. You can open as much as you want, but because of this video, let's just open those ones there. Now what you will do is to go to the course page. When you come to this page, all you will have to do is to scroll down to where you will find reviews. That's what we want. You go to review. Okay, you come here and you click show more reviews. Then the next thing is to come to 1 star, because the goal here is to look for the flaws in this course and see how you can use that to your advantage. So what people are complaining about, you make sure in your course you solve that problem. Like this one says, instructor is extremely slow and repeats itself at times. It takes a 1-minute lesson and makes it a 10-minute by over explaining. You can see the flaws. This one says too much unnecessary joke. A bit is fine, but too much for me. Not to the point, too much dragging. The flow and the presentation material is not prepared first. Some mistakes happen during presentation. You can see what people are complaining about. You can go down, slow, repeated the same thing a lot. Also, I hate Excel. This one says it was perfect brushing of topics. Macros are amazing. I am having a headache from this talking. Half of the video is rubbish, horrible. I need the proper information. This one, you can see the complaints people are saying. The course is way too slow. You can see everybody just complaining that it is too slow, it is too slow, it is too slow. This one says the jokes he makes are absolutely not funny. Two people right now are making complaints about the joke, that the jokes are not funny, while almost everybody that's saying is slow. Let's go to the one that has the sheet they provided don't have questions. Every sheet should contain some questions. And let's go down and see. So the explanation in the course are great. The exercises not so much. Okay. This one says inability to explain scenarios, concept remain unclear, need more to understand. The video lectures are not working. Okay, I'm finding it a bit difficult to follow the course. Good. The course is mostly about really basic stuff. For 5 minutes video, full of dragging is seen, but nice explanation and easy to understand. So what you will pick from this place is that you should not be too slow. So in your own course, you won't be too slow. You have to hit the nail on the head. You have to be not too fast, not too slow, will be in the middle. So let's check out this one. It is a great course. Thanks. Okay. So let's go to the next course title. We have found out that this course, people are complaining that it is too slow. The instructor is too slow, which means this is one thing you should take note of. Don't be too slow when you are teaching your course. Do not drag it. If something is worth 1 minute, use 1 minute for explanation. Do not try to make it very long. That is one thing you need to avoid in your own course so as to stand out. This is another course here. So let's drag it down and go to review. Okay, you click on show all reviews. This one says not a good course. The teaching style is unprofessional and instructions often vague or apparently made up. I would not recommend this course to a beginner. Okay. This one says I personally recommend that it teach more precise keys of Excel. This one says a lot of the instructions don't work on my Excel. I do not like the way this course is being taught. Okay. People are complaining about the course, but they are not really clear about what is wrong. Let's check out 2-star rating review. I learned a lot from this course. Okay. I feel like I'm getting information I don't need for what I want to do with Excel. But I also feel like I don't go through the whole course. I may miss something I need. Okay. Shortcuts should be mentioned instead of manually doing tasks. Alright. This one says, so far unimpressed. This course is sporadic and in one section. The downloaded worksheet does not have the directions on it in the download. Also, it mentions the eBay profit loss and state that it was mentioned previously, blah blah blah. This one says he threw me off every time he would say he did not know something. How do you teach about something you don't know? You get it? So these are the things you must check out in people's course. You have to check out the flaws. So if you admire a particular course and you want to create something similar to that course title, you have to check out what people are complaining about that course and try to avoid it. So you do the opposite. Make sure yours is good. This is how you stand out from among the 10,000 results that was displayed with this title, Microsoft Excel for Beginners. This is the third one that we opened in a new tab. Let's go to the review and see for ourselves. Let's check the 1 star. Why are the videos freezing at a point? Fix it immediately. Okay, this should be internet problem. This one says flash fee for joining data in Excel. This module video is not working. People are complaining about the video. Files are not supporting. Oh, it does not go over example 7 in the short document number 17. This one says video quality is not HD. It means the video quality is very low because everybody is complaining about the video. This one says video quality is not HD. It gives blurry impression, which means if you want to record your video, make sure you use a good screen recording tool to do that. You can see what they are complaining about. The video is freezing, the video is not working, people are saying the video has issues. This one says, I am having a hard time understanding the instructor. Can I get a refund to put towards another class? Imagine what people are saying. They want a refund for their money. Let's check out this one here and see what other people are saying about the course. There are wrong answers given in the practice file. Though learn new concepts, I had expected the course to be a little more illustrative. This one says the pivot table lesson video number 53 is a little fast and unable to understand that video. This one says background music is so annoying. I don't know why people will include background music into a course material. This is not YouTube. The files were not that organized, and that in all of the videos there is skipped content in the Excel files. They are also missing files. The class has taught me new things. Okay, not good that much, average, not clear. So these are things you have to avoid when you are creating your own course. Like what I normally do before I create a course, I first type that course title on Udemy and see the result. Those that are ranking highest rated bestseller, I go check out the bad reviews in them and see what I can do differently so that my course can stand out. If people are complaining that the particular instructor is too slow, I make sure I am not too slow. I am kind of moderate. I'm not that fast. I'm not that slow. And if people are saying, okay, the course is not that organized, I make sure all the lessons are organized. This is why I say you are taking your student through a journey. So you must make sure the lessons outlined are organized. Students have to understand what you are teaching. Like this one says, the videos are blurring. People are complaining about the video. It means maybe the software you use in recording the course is not that good. So that is why they are having blurred video. That's why they are having issues, playing the video. So this is how you can create an irresistible bestseller course on Udemy. So there you have it for this video. Being a course creator on Udemy is easy if you know the tricks behind creating outstanding courses to rank top when searched and the trick to getting enrollment for your course. Sign up for my mentorship program to learn more. Here is what you will get to learn when you join my mentorship program. You will learn how to create and set up an Udemy account as an instructor. You will learn how to create and verify your payment account. You will learn how to create bestseller course outline. You will also learn how to choose topic that will make you more money and a lot of other things you will learn when you sign up. And this is not just you signing up to get my course material. You are joining my community. I have a paid community where you join and meet people just like you, learn from their own mistakes and also learn from their own success. So to join my mentorship program is just $20. If you are interested, just send me a WhatsApp message to the number displaying on the screen. send me a message, tell me that you want to join, make the payment, and you will be added to the community. Until we meet again, stay safe.